Hey guys, this is the denim I ordered from Mishu, but it was too tight for me. So instead of returning it, I decided to make some DIY from this jeans. So I prepared this skirt and just check out this crop top, corset top. I made a corset top out of these jeans as the cloth was very loose, so I added elastic on the back side. And this is the final look I have prepared from these jeans, that is skirt and corset top. And just wait and see, this is my final look.